Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope all of you are fine. So it's time to study now. This is your maths lesson. As you know that we already have done the counting from 0 to 30. So today we will write counting from 30 to 50. Bring your notebooks and let's write with me. So let's start from number 30. 3 and 0 makes 30. After 30, write 31, 32, 33, 34, then 35. After 35, write 36. 37, 38, 39. What comes after 39? 40. After leaving two lines of blocks, we will write 40. 40, 41. Now 42. 43, 44, then 45 and 46, 47, 48, 49, and then what comes after 49? Yes, 50. 50 comes after 49. Tell me which numbers are these?
30, 40, 50.
So this is your assignment. You have to write from 30 to 50. I hope that you will do your best. Allah Hafiz.